1977 Porsche 911 S Coupe. Price: $69,950. Location: Colorado, USA. The 1977 Porsche 911 S Coupe is the kind of classic sports car that makes people stop in their tracks, even before the engine comes to life. Its unmistakable silhouette, iconic round headlights, and legendary re-engine design instantly remind you why the Porsche 911 has remained one of the most desirable sports cars in automotive history. Today, we are taking a closer look at a beautifully preserved example that could be the dream garage centerpiece for any collector. The first thing that makes this Porsche stand out is its matching numbers drivetrain, something every serious collector wants to see. Showing just 72,962 original miles on the odometer, this 911S is finished in its factory guards red paint, color code 027, paired with a timeless black interior. The bright chrome accents and period-correct 16-inch BBS wheels give the car an aggressive yet elegant appearance that perfectly represents the late 1970s sports car era. The real magic begins once you turn the key. Sitting behind the rear axle is Porsche's legendary 2.7-litre air-cooled flat-six engine, equipped with Bosch Cagetronic fuel injection and paired with a highly desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Unlike many modern performance cars filled with electronic driving aids, this Porsche delivers a completely mechanical driving experience. Every shift feels connected. Every throttle input receives an immediate response. Every corner reminds you why enthusiasts continue to fall in love with air-cooled 911s decade after decade. Performance isn't the only reason collectors chase these classics. The 1977 model year represents the final chapter of the famous 2.7-litre engine before Porsche introduced the larger 3.0-litre power plant in the 911 SC. That makes this car an important piece of Porsche history. For many enthusiasts, it's one of the last truly lightweight and raw driving classic 911s ever built, offering a driving experience that simply cannot be duplicated by modern sports cars. Walking around the exterior, you'll notice several desirable factory features. The car comes equipped with front fog lights, elegant chrome trim, a factory sunroof, dual side mirrors, and a clean single exhaust system. The BBS 16-inch wheels give the Porsche a slightly more aggressive stance while remaining true to the era. Riding on Toyo tires and including a spare tire neatly stored in the front trunk, this classic is ready to be enjoyed rather than simply displayed. Step inside, and the cabin immediately transports you back to Porsche's golden age. Deeply bolstered sports seats hold the driver securely, while the classic 3-spoke steering wheel frames the iconic VDO gauges. Every control is simple, purposeful, and designed with the driver in mind.